Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now I am going to explain my project. Ontology matching state of art and future challenges. The future challenge is nothing but comparing to the OW file, the calculating the and matching for the retrieving the matching words. This is for the future challenges process. Modify title: a survey of approaches to automatic scheme matching on ontology based approaches. In this, our proposed method to automatically matching for the any version of two codes for the our OW file converting the XML file. Abstract: answer the queries the state of art of ontology matching and analyze the result of recent ontology matching evolution. A measurable important in the field of speed of which is able to the slowing the down. In this process too, our calculating the two version of code and converting the unwanted data and removing the space after the calculating the classify method. In this classify method too is size has been classified, the size reduced and unwanted data has been removing for the our process. This is for the initial process for our project. The improvement can be obtained only by addressing improving challenges for the ontology matching. In the ontology matching for the process to the any query to the getting for the our result process. This result process has been compared for the two version of code and comparing the result for the our process. It can be aiming to direct research into the most promising tracks and visibility for the progress of the our field. In this process to calculating the unwanted data and removing the space and has been get for the pure result for the our OW file and for the comparing the to analyze process. Introducing the communication technology has been made available of the huge amount of disparate information. In this process to getting the percentage for the two codes in this process OW file 1 and OW file 2 the matching for the our state. After the result and matching for the two OW file, the result has been compared that to the draw of the our line to the our process. Now explain our project flow. This is for our project flow. Start: this is process has been start and select the data 1 and data 2. The data 1 is nothing but select on the XML data for the our process, and data 2 is nothing but selecting the different type of the XML data, selecting the extracting data 1 and data 2. So extracting data 1 and data 2 is nothing but extracting the view for the our data 1 and data 2 process. Then also the next calculating the unwanted symbol removes. So unwanted symbol removes has been the detecting for the data 1 and data 2 has been the detecting the unwanted symbol removing process. Then alignment on data 1 and data 2. So alignment process has been nothing but calculating data 1 also the arrange the space and removing unwanted space removing for the data 1 and data 2 process. And the word clustering using the size reduce word clustering based to the size reducing process. The size reduce is nothing but removing this unwanted space removing process. The clustering process to the data 1 process and the data 2 process has been three type of clustering process. The comparing data using ontology matching process to the two type of data has been compared, and word weight calculation process, the precision and recall based to the word weight calculating processes, calculating the precision method and recall method. The precision method also calculating the data 1 and recall method calculating the data 2. Then word result analyze process. The word result analyze process is nothing but comparing two data has been calculating word 1 and word 2 in using the precision and recall method. The word result analyze process has been converting the compare the result 1 and result 2. Result 1 is the OW file, result 2 is the OW file 2. This compared to the what type of data has been average percentage calculate and matching for the letter for the our two word file the data. Stop. Now execute my project. This is play button or debug button. This is start debugging or F5 press to automatically start for our project. Then click F5. This is for our main project flow. Then click the file 1. Then select the book 1 XML data file, then click open, automatically view for the our XML data. Then file 2, this is book 1 XML data, this is for the our XML data file for the our process. This is file type, and then this is automatically converting for the our file type in OW file, converting file for the XML to OW file conversion. Then click next process. Load file, this is our two version of code for the our OW file. This is our data file length and our size calculating for the our process. The code type is OW file. The same line count for the our process. This is for our same line found for the our two type of data. The not same line found for the our data for the our process. This is for the not same line for the our project. Then click the next process. Load file, then click the file alignment. This is for the book 1 XML data file alignment and our size and the file size count for the our process. Then file 2, this is for our file 2 of the our process. The file 1 is also called for the our details for the file 1 alignment data. Then click next process. Load file has been loaded successfully. Then file 1 removing process, this is file 1 removing process for the our data. This is file 1 data, this is removing after removing for the our data. Then file 2 removing data, after file 2 removing data, the calculating for the unwanted data has been removing the our data process. Then calculating the and automatically getting for the our result has been running for the our process. In this process to the getting the our result for the after removing the unwanted data from the our data set. This is our two type of data file details. Then click the next process. So load data successfully. Classify data for the our process. So classify data, three type of classifying data for the our file data. Then data 1 and data 2. This is the data 1 and data 2 classifying data for the our process. Then click OK. Data 1, data load successfully. Then data 2, data load successfully. Then view data, this is for classifying three data for the our project. This is one type of data, one file data has been classified in the three type, and the second data has been classified in the three type. Then click the next process. Search, this is our file 1 and file 2. So file name and file name 2 validating the data. This is similarity status 85% and this data file data 2 has been similarity has been 95%. Then click the next process. Then analyze, this is also XML data to the converting OW to the converting the our data has been received. Then view data, then this is the file 2 data, this is the matching point for the our process, this is matching for the our project flow. Then click the next process. This is the query timing. Query timing is analyze process for the our process executing the timing for the our data 1 timing and data 2 timing for the executing time. Then arrange rate timing is for the then after classifying the data has been arranging the time for best time and not best time. This is calculating for the our process. And finally, thank you.